Okay, here's the Bestqool BQ60 model. As you can see, it's on at the moment. It has timer, counts down. You can turn on near infrared, or both. There's a kickstand in the back so you can place it. It also has these things so you can hang it from your door, which I will show you as well a little bit later. So this is the size of it. It's quite powerful. The handle, machine, it feels sturdy. Feels well made to me. It has fans in the back. Helps keep it cool. To give you an idea exactly, this is the model I have. My wife has been using this for about 3 weeks now for pain in the wrist, and she has said it has made a pretty big difference for her. The pain has subsided a decent amount since she started using this red light therapy device. So I would say that yes, so far this has definitely been worth it, and I'm glad that we had purchased this. I also wanted to show real quick the system you can for hanging it on your door. As far as raising it as such, and lowering it as such. So it's useful, so you can put it at the exact size that you would need it for whatever body part you're trying to use with the red light therapy.